Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use HSTACK plus CHOOSECOLS function in Excel. Okay, so here I have a table, okay, and there is a situation which I want to create with this HSTACK and CHOOSECOL function. So this is my sales table. This is employee name, January sales, February sales, March sale and April sale. And the situation is that I want to this column, name column here, okay, January sales here and March sales here. Means I want to compare January sales with March sale and February sale with April sale. So one way I can do it, do these things, that I can copy this, but without copying you can use this function HSTACK and CHOOSECOLS for situation. So what you have to do, you have to just click on this equals button, okay, then HSTACK, okay, then again use choose calls. Now it will ask for array, so to choose whole array, comma, now it will ask for call numbers. Okay, so call number is, I want to include here this name cell, means first column, then Jan cell means second column, and I want to compare with March sales. So this is 1 2 3 fourth column, so you have to type 4. Okay, now bracket close, comma, again use this choose call function, choose calls, then again select the array, whole table, comma, first name column, then I want to include this February sales, so 1 2 3, this is third, and compare with April sales, so this is fifth. Now bracket close, now again close, and okay. Now you will see this is the name, employee's name, January sale, March sale, you can compare side by side, then name, February sale and April sale. So like this you can use HSTACK and choose column function together in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.